Hello everyone, my name is Shamil Kazmi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be explaining about a little feature in the SQL Server Management Studio. It's basically that if you want to debug a long TSQL query and you are given an error in which you have to identify where the exact problem is located. So for example, if there isn't any error, it would say something like line number 9, line number 10, and so on, and you'll have to maybe manually count that line or rely on your own skills, read through the entire code. If you're lucky, you will also get the little red underline, but it's not the same case all the time. So let's jump right into the demo and see what I'm talking about. So if I'm going to start a new query window, okay, and I'm going to select something, let's say select one, and obviously it's going to run successfully. So when I execute this, the column name is going to be set to number. Now I'm going to do some random enters to create new line. I'm not going to count how many enters I've pressed, but anyways, let's just write some random letter, and you can see that this is giving the red underline underneath this, which denotes that there is some kind of error. But there are certain scenarios in which it doesn't. So we are aiming for that. Okay, I'm going to execute it now, and it's going to tell me that there is an issue in line number 21. But for example, if you do not have any means to know how to reach to this line number 21, what exactly are you going to do? So SQL Server Management Studio has a wonderful feature, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go into the tools, go to options, and then go to text editor, in the transact SQL you get this option called line numbers. If you check that and click on OK, now you can see that there is the error on line number 21. It's a very handy feature that allows you to debug your queries very fast. There's one more bonus feature that I'll show you. For example, if you're just typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's say, and you want to write on multiple lines at the same time, what you need to do is you need to press Alt on your keyboard, and while pressing Alt you just have to press Shift and then up arrow keys if you're on the bottommost line, and down key if you're on the topmost line, and you just keep pressing that. You get multiple blinking cursors, and now you can simply write on multiple lines. Once you press F5, you can basically it's not going to show you at the moment, but bear with me. If I write something like this, union, if I just delete this guy and I'm going to select, so that's how basically you can write on multiple lines at the same time. This is another cool feature that I found. And the third feature that I want to say is if you want to change the case of the letters, all you need to do is select that case. For example, if you want to write select in smaller characters, all you need to do is Control Shift L. And if you want to set them in uppercase, Control Shift and U. So that's some cool hidden features that I didn't know earlier, and now I know, so I'm sharing with you. Hope you enjoy this video, and feel free to watch other videos if you like the content. Good evening.